Here's how to make other people buy your rental property. First, let's discuss why you invest in rental properties and what are the benefits. There are so many benefits to buying rental properties, and here are the main ones you should know. First is the passive income generated from that monthly rent. Getting that mailbox money each and every month without having to directly work is the most exciting part about owning rentals. You can travel or live anywhere you want, and that rental income is going to hit your bank account each and every month. Second is appreciation. Appreciation is the lesser known way to build wealth with rentals and may be more powerful than passive income. The trick is to buy the right property in the right location. And we'll go more into detail about that in a moment. Third is tax benefits. Rentals offer numerous tax benefits as compared to other investments. To start, the interest on mortgage payments, property taxes, and operational expenses may be deductible from your taxes. Then there's depreciation. This potential benefit allows you to deduct a portion of the cost of the property over several years. The last benefit that we'll talk about today is leverage. Real estate is one of the few investments where you can use other people's money at a decent rate to buy an asset. Leverage can amplify returns. For example, if you put down 20% on a property and it appreciates by 5%, you've effectively earned a 25% return on the cash you've invested. So how do I choose the right rental property? Choosing the right property is crucial to your investment. And the first thing you want to determine is if the monthly rental income or appreciation is more important to you. Homes with higher monthly income tend to appreciate less and vice versa. And while this is not a steadfast rule, it tends to happen more often than not. Buying a rental property in an up-and-coming neighborhood is one way to try and take advantage of both income streams over time. And if you're not an expert in the market, your agent will be the best person to guide you through the properties that make the most sense for your goals. As in any real estate deal, location is the primary driver of your income. And the more popular the community for potential renters, the more likely you will benefit in terms of appreciation and revenue. You also need to consider the type of property that you're buying. For example, a duplex may be a less popular option in an area that consists of mostly single-family homes. And don't forget to take a look at rental data in your area. If there are a high number of vacancies or rents are declining, you might want to look elsewhere before you pull that trigger. There are so many other things to consider, and most of them are based on your personal goals. And this is where your realtor can best help you find the property that makes the most sense for you. What are the rules of house hacking, and how many units can I get with a traditional home loan? House hacking refers to buying a rental property and living in one of the units. It's a way to offset or completely cover your mortgage and living expenses with rental income. And the most popular way individuals get started in house hacking is with the FHA or DSCR loan. With the FHA loan, you can buy anywhere from a duplex up to a 20-unit apartment building. The catch is that you have to live in one of the units initially. You'll benefit from the lower interest rates on a given primary residence while having part or all of your mortgage paid by the tenants. A DSCR loan is not based on the income from your current job. Instead, your loan will be approved based only on the rent generated from the property. You're not required to live in the unit, and there are no limits on the size of the rental property. However, the interest rate you pay will be higher because it's considered an investment loan. With a traditional conventional mortgage, you're limited to buying only one property at a time, living in it for a minimum of 1 year, and then you can rent it out. However, there is a maximum of 10 conventional mortgages per individual, and many banks will limit you at 4 mortgages. What's the process for getting a loan for a rental property, and how do you work effectively with lenders? Now, before looking at rental property or writing a contract, it's best to talk to a lender about your plan, get it pre-approved for a loan, and get a loan estimate from your loan officer. This will save you time and put you on the right path quickly. Your agent should be able to put you in touch with the multiple lenders who are experienced with investors and can help you grow financially. In doing so, you'll build valuable relationships, stay organized, and have the opportunity to ask questions and then find the loan program that works best for you. I would also recommend that you shop around for a lender that you like and trust, and then be as transparent as possible with them. They're here to help you and will give you the best options based on your goals and your needs. And you may want to consider a mortgage broker who represents multiple lenders to see several different options without getting in contact with multiple loan officers. So how do you collaborate with real estate agents to make an informed decision? And the most important part here is finding the right agent. You're going to want someone that is experienced in buying the type of properties that you're interested in, especially if you are new to investing. You don't want someone learning on the job with your hard-earned money. Once you have the right agent, clearly define your objectives and goals, including what type of property, the amount of money you want to invest, and your long-term strategy. This will help you save time and ensure that you'll make the best investment possible. Communication is key with your agent. They should quickly respond to your questions and concerns. They should leverage their network to help you identify properties before they come on the market and help you get educated about the process. If not, start looking for an agent who more closely aligns with your needs. You should also be able to lean on them for information, including things like current listings, recent sales, and comparative market data. In addition, it's important that they review any documents that you might sign so you completely understand what you're agreeing to. Look at it as a long-term relationship where you both benefit and make money. How do I find an investor? There are two great ways to find an investor other than a bank to help you meet your real estate investing goals. And the first place to start is with your current network of family, friends, and colleagues. Leveraging these existing relationships may be an easier source of funds. Make sure that the terms of your relationship are clear and in writing to avoid problems down the road. Another option is local business and investor groups. Attending and participating in their meetings is a great way to network and meet investors. I like this option because you get to meet people face to face, and it's easier to get to know them and earn each other's trust when you can shake hands and talk in person. You'll also be able to get firsthand knowledge of what it's like to work with them from other group members. It's like getting a personal referral, and that likely makes you feel more comfortable. One final option is with online resources like BiggerPockets. Now, this would be my last option only if you did not have any investors in your network or a local group in your area. So what are common mistakes to avoid when buying rental property? Other than not following my advice, I've just given you the most common problem that you'll have is the person on the other side of the mirror. Most people underestimate what they need to learn in this business, and their overconfidence gets them into trouble quickly. One small mistake can cost thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Examples of this include things like not doing enough research, underestimating cost, overpaying for a property, not planning for vacancies, poor tenant screening, and trying to do everything yourself, and not understanding local laws. Don't be impatient. Build a team of help around you and stick to your plan when things do not go your way. If you liked the video, click the like button to let us know you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll make sure to answer them. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss another episode. Take care and have a good day.